Morning all. Welcome to another beautiful day. Early morning. I am going to jump on my bike this morning and head off to a little town a little bit up the coast. I've been blessed with a very interesting birthday present, an early birthday present by my wife. Thank you, babe. And stick around. I promise you it's going to be an exciting video, today's video. We will, I don't want to give any more away. But first things first, we haven't been on the bike for a while. So I'm going to go fetch the bike out of storage quick. And we'll start our day with a short spin. Stick around. We'll be back shortly. Okay. Oops. Oh, that feels better. When I picked the bike up this morning, the steering was very heavy, and I realized the tire's flat. So bumped the tire up, and now she feels much better. Oh, you gotta love this. Hey, so we have arrived. So that is the baby that we are going to be flying today. Cliff, our pilot, he's taking us up for an hour in this old tiger moth. Look at this baby. Just busy refueling. Technology from years ago. Off we go. Taken off from 43rd Airfield in Port Alfred. We circled out around the marina, took a aerial view in, and obviously being in the cockpit, in an open cockpit, I was not able to narrate as we went along. So I'll have to narrate over the video as we fly along here. So after circling out over the marina, we turned south and headed down the coastline towards Canton-on-Sea. Upon arriving in over Kenton, we circled out over the Bushman's River and then flew up along the river to do a touch and go on the grass strip outside Bushman's, just inside Bushman's area. We touched down, immediately took off again and made a left turn out towards the Dyer's Cross, which if you have looked at my previous videos, you will see I did a video of a hike out to Dyer's Cross. Yeah, and then anyway, here is Dyer's Cross coming up on the left below us, and we got some lovely footage from the GoPro as we passed over Dyer's Cross. Once leaving Dyer's Cross, we headed out low level along the coast, sort of probably around 500 feet, and hugged the coastline all the way back to Kenton, passing the Bushman's River mouth once again. Once passing the river mouth, you can see Shelley Beach coming up on the next headland. There it goes by in a flash, and yeah, here's Middle Beach, Kenton Middle Beach coming up, and the Kariga River mouth, and then from there we headed up inland slightly, eventually turning back out along the coastline with the cliff, our pilot, enjoying it in the background, and then warning me that right now we are about to do a very steep turn. And let me tell you, this turn was incredibly weird deep. This plane is sensitive and incredible. It's unbelievable what this plane can do. Anyway, that was the flight. From here we headed out back down, landing in Port Alfred, and that was the end of a really, really awesome flight. So that was the end of we're at the end of our flight now. Safely landed. That was an experience, let me tell you. A definite worthwhile experience. Cliff is a great pilot and gives you a good experience here. Port Alfred, Canton-on-Sea, Bushman's, the rivers, a nice low-level flight over the coast, and an experience you can't put a price on. I'm sorry. Catch you guys later. Cheers.